Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to tell you about flowers. Children, tell me, from where do we get flowers? Yes, we get flowers from plants. As you can see in the picture, there are different types of flowers with different colors. So, we see different types of flowers around us like rose, marigold, jasmine, hibiscus, tuberose, periwinkle, aster, and many more. Some flowers have fragrance. That means they have pleasant smell or they smell good. The flowers come in different colors, shapes and sizes. All flowers have petals, bud, stem and leaves. Children, do you know what does the flower need to grow? Yes, they need soil, sunlight, water and air for the proper growth. We use these flowers in different ways, like for decoration purpose, for puja purpose, and we can make garlands. Now children, I will tell you the information of some of the flowers. So today I am going to cover rose, marigold and lotus flower. So let us see the next picture. Children, look at this picture and tell me which flower is this? Yes, it is a rose flower. Now look at the first picture. The roses are grown in the pot. Now look down. Here the roses are grown on the ground. So you can grow roses in pot as well as on the ground. And you can see them in the garden also. Now look up again. See, what is this green color part like a stick? It is called a stem. What is it called? Stem. Then branches are coming out from the stem and leaves are grown. So this green color part is called a leaf. Now little bit come down. Oh, what is this pointed thing? Yes, it is a thorn. So if you touch this pointed thing, it pricks you and then blood comes out. So while holding rose flower, you should hold it carefully. Now come down. Oh, what is this small thing? It's a bud. What is it? Bud. So before the flower blooms, you can see the bud. So bud turns into the flower. Now see this flower. It's a beautiful flower and it has many petals. So the rose flower, it grows in different colors. So I will show you the next picture of different colors of roses. But tell me, what else we can say to the rose flower? Yes, it is called a king of flowers. It is called the king of flowers. Now let us go to the next picture. Children, see the beautiful roses with different colors. Now let's start with the first rose, that is the red rose. Second, orange rose. Third, yellow rose. Fourth, pink rose. Now let's see the other picture. In this picture, white rose. Then next, purple rose. And last, black color rose. See, purple and black color rose, we find them very rarely. Okay, that is just to tell you the names. Now let's see the uses of roses in the next picture. Children, as you know, rose flower has a pleasant smell. So we can use it in different ways, like for making rose water, soap, shampoo, talcum powder, perfume. Now let's see the next picture. Incense stick. Then for puja purpose, we offer petals of roses. Then look down, we can make garland from rose flower for different functions like for wedding or any other ceremony. Children, we can also use rose for making gulkan. Then down if you can see for sharbat like rose sharbat you drink. Then in milkshake also, rose milkshake. All these things are edible things. Okay, so for eating purpose also we can use rose flower. We can use rose flower to decorate our house. We can keep them in the vase. Then in the bouquet to gift someone for the birthday or for anniversary. Now look down, for decoration purpose also roses are used. Like if wedding anniversary is there or wedding is there or some birthday party is there. So roses are used for decoration purpose. Now we will see the next flower, that is the marigold flower. Children, look at the picture. The picture is of marigold flower. So we can grow marigold flower in pot and on the ground. Marigold flower, it grows in yellow color and in orange color. Look at the stem. The stem is soft and green in color. And if we see the leaves are small and green in color. Now let's see the next picture. Children, marigold can grow in different size. That is small size marigold, medium size and large size. The flower has many small petals as you can see in the picture. So you cannot count the petals. We use marigold flowers for puja purpose. That is, we offer petals to the god, or we can make garland out of marigold flowers. We can also use marigold flower for decoration purpose in the form of toran for our doors, then rangoli outside our house or in front of God. Then look down. See, for the decoration purpose during wedding or during any ceremony, so we can use marigold flowers for the decoration purpose. Now, I will tell you the information of the next flower. Children, look at this beautiful lotus flower. This flower grows in the water, so it is called a water plant. Now look at the leaves. They are large in size and dark green in color that floats on water because leaves have waxy coating. Now if you can see the stem of the flower is very thick. And now look at the center part. The center part is yellow in color. Lotus flower has many petals that are round in shape. The lotus flower is also called a national flower of our country. Now, I will tell you the different colors of lotus flower. Now, if you see, there is a pink color lotus flower. Now, see the bud of the flower. Now, next picture, see the white lotus flower, and the down one is the purple lotus flower. The purple lotus flower is found rarely. So, we can get lotus flower in pink color as well as in the white color. Now let's go to the next picture. We use lotus flowers in temples as well as at home for religious purpose, that is puja purpose. Then we can make garland from the lotus flower. We can use flower for decoration at home or any other functions. You can see in the picture, in the vase, lotus flowers are kept and for decorating the hall or other things. Children, today I have covered 3 flowers: rose flower, marigold flower and lotus flower. So in the next videos, you will watch the information of other flowers. So now I will stop here. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.